The West Indies blew a glorious chance to level their 5-match one-day international series in Wednesday's second match in Hyderabad, as India's captain Virat Kohli smashed a century on his way to becoming the fastest batsman ever to score 10,000 ODI runs.
Virat Kohli has obliterated the record for the fastest to reach 10,000 one-day international runs, on his way to an unbeaten 157 against the West Indies.
He's letting us back do the talking.
The Indian captain needed 81 in the second ODI in Visakhapatnam to bring up the milestone, Kohli taking just 205 innings to tally 10,000 runs.
Going past some of the greats of the game.
If Kohli's achievement wasn't a great surprise given his rich vein of form, then the rest of the match had a few shocks in store.
Pierce the grab, another boundary, and everybody is looking at one another.
Not many would have predicted the West Indies to win, but set 322 to chase, Shai Hope and Shimron Hetmyer brought them to within 100 of the hosts.
Hetmyer today is unstoppable.
Hetmyer's dismissal for 94 proved a turning point, as the Windies lost momentum, despite Hope bringing up his century.
He just played his part to perfection.
It came down to the final over, 14 needed to win, which became 5 required off the last ball.
Goes full, cracks it. Oh, and that's gone for 4. Yes, it's gone through the hands of the point fielder, and this is a tie.
A tie it was, a classic finish, with India to take a 1-0 lead to Panay for the third ODI of the 5-match series.
West Indies as well, not celebrating, but they should be very, very proud of their performance.